Hello, students. So we're in our new week in Unit 5. We're now in week 2. And our question this week is, what can you see in the sky? So the stories that we're going to read this week are going to be about different things that you see in the sky. So you can see this girl here with the title Night and Day. And I want you to talk about with somebody in your house, or you can even talk to yourself. What does this girl see in the night sky? And you can get some clues about the picture with some of the tools that she's using, and if you look carefully at the picture. So what does this girl see in the night sky? All right, very good. Let's go ahead and figure out and learn what's going on in week 2. So as we go to the next page, you know these are our high frequency words that we're going to be practicing this week. I hope you've had a chance to take a look at the video that I did for Unit 5 high frequency words. You should be reviewing that a few times a week. And those of you that are not quite caught up on your high frequency words, there's a review high frequency word video for you to look at, and you should be practicing those every day. The video is not very long, so have it as a run through every day. But let's look at this week's new high frequency words. We can look at the picture and we'll read each high frequency word in a sentence, which helps us understand what the word means. So the first word is another. Can you say that word? Will another cloud cover the sun? The second word is climb. Say climb. That cat can climb a tree quickly. The third word is full. Say full. There is a full moon out tonight. The next word is great. Say great. It is a great day for a picnic. The next word is poor. Say poor. My poor dog got wet in the rain. And our last high frequency word is through. Say through. Can you see the man through the fog? We have 2 vocabulary words this week. First one is leaped or leapt and stretched. The reason why I said leapt is oftentimes that's how that word is pronounced. Though it looks like leap with an ED on the end. And we remember what an ED ending does to a verb, right? We remember that it makes it past tense. Same thing here, stretch. I stretched today. I stretched yesterday. So for the first one, leaped or leapt, the frog leapt into the lake. For stretched, the rainbow stretched out across the sky. Those are vocabulary words, and we'll see some activities with those in our Your Turn book this week. So now, if you at home, you can extend this lesson, and I challenge you to do that. You can read the sentence for each word and then make up another sentence for each word. So that'll really get those brains growing if you did that activity. Okay, you can pause the video if you want to do that activity, or you can come back, but we're going to go ahead and turn the page, and our spelling focus this week is the shirt card. So we are looking at the sound, shirt, and there's 4 spellings for so it can be a little bit tricky. We have ER, IR, UR, and OR. All of those spellings make the sound. So when you come across that, you just got to remember, practice or try it out, because you will see those sounds other places as well. So sound. Notice you only really hear the R in those sounds. Lots of different ways to spell it. So let's practice it so that we know it when we come across it in words. So here we are, ER, IR, UR, OR. The letters ER, IR, UR, and OR can make the sounds you hear in the middle of term, bird, curl, and worm, okay? That OR also makes the OR sound. So that's when you have to try it both ways, like some of those long vowels that have lots of the same spelling. So let's go ahead and read the words that we're going to see this week in our blending and our stories. Okay, read along with me, and then if you'd like to challenge yourself later, you can always turn down the volume and read them on your own. But here we go. Ready? Read. Girl, dirt, hurt, her, worked, third, turns, verb, first, shirt, word, nurse. Okay, lots of ways to spell the sound. Let's read our sentences. We have a question mark at the end of this sentence, so when we read this first sentence, we're going to read it with a question in our voice. All right, here we go. Put your finger on the first word, or actually, you're reading from this video, so you can't. You go ahead and follow my finger. Here we go. Ready, read. Did that burst of thunder wake Herb? Did you hear the question in my voice when I got, because I know there was a question mark at the end. Let's read our next sentence. Ready, read. Herb woke up first and turned over. All right. And here's some more sounding words that we're going to see in the story, A Bird Named Fern, which we will read that together later. Here we go. Ready? Let's read these words. Bird, fern, world, herself, her, surprised, better, turned, first. Okay, that's it. That's the end of our introduction to week 2.